Today we're showing you a 2015 Kubota B2301 four-wheel drive tractor with a Kubota LA 434 quick attach front end loader. Tractor is in nice shape. Again, it is the B2301 model, and it does come with the LA 434 quick attach front loader. Bucket's in nice shape, does have the grill guard on it. Looks like the hours are 352.4 are the current hours on the tractor. Does have the hydrostat transmission with the pedal, treadle pedal there, forward and reverse. There's a bar tires on it. Does have 3-point hitch and 540 PTO back here. So if you do want to run a brush hog, finish mower, anything of that nature, you certainly can do so. And then the tractor also has the mid PTO. So if you do want to add a mid implement of some sort, you certainly can do that as well. It's a nice clean little tractor. 2015, 360 hours, 22 horsepower. You're looking for a nice clean little subcompact tractor. This is going to be a really nice fit. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the U.S. A little bit of damage there in the front grill. And again, we can't offer delivery here within the U.S. We can easily arrange that anywhere here within the U.S. If you have questions regarding this tractor or any other used tractors, please contact us at masttractor.com.